Hello, this is Sue Ellen Hale, and I'm here to show you a great way to pamper your hands. This is our foaming hand soap, the new container. We've had foaming hand soap for a while. Lots of people know and love it. We have a Dead Sea Salt scrub, and I'm going to be using some shea butter and nail serum. So we'll start off the hand spa by getting a little bit of the Dead Sea Salt and a pump of soap, and turn my water on, get my hand wet, and then I'm just going to rub this together, and then all over the back of my hands. Back of our hands often show a lot of wrinkles and aging because they're always exposed, except in the wintertime when you're wearing gloves. But I'm in Texas, so that's not much of the year. So good scrub and exfoliate on our hands. Then we'll rinse that off. It feels nice already. My hands feel so soft. Alright, then I'll turn the water off and pat my hands dry. Just got a regular towel I'm patting dry with, not a soft fluffy one. Next, I'm going to do our Natural Nail Repair Serum. So this is the new packaging for the nail serum. It was previously in a roller ball, and if you used it in the roller ball, you might have thought it was a little bit messy. This one is kind of like a brush tip marker and a syringe. So the end of this clicks, and the first time you use it, and the plunger goes down every time you click it. The first time you use it, you have to click a pretty good bit to get the air out and get the nail serum flowing into the tip of the brush tip. I've already started mine, so now you just take this and you brush it on the cuticles. I think I'm going to go one more click. Yeah, get some more out. And if you're using it and you feel like, oh, I think I'd like a little bit more nail serum, you can always just give it another click. I'll do this on both hands. I'm right-handed, so it feels a little weird to go this direction. And then you can put the lid on it, and it's not messy. So then I usually just rub it around on my cuticles and across the nail. I've been using our nail serum for, I think, about a year, and I feel like it's really helped my nails. They stay strong and don't break unless I need to trim them and they're getting too long, or I'm trying to do something that you're not supposed to do with your fingernails. You know what I'm talking about. So my hands already feel really nice. But I'm going to use the Skin Relief from the August Joyful Jordan box. It is our natural green tea, aloe, seaweed, chamomile. This one has honey powder added to it. Look how rich and creamy that is. I love this stuff. I hadn't really used I don't use a whole lot. I hadn't really used the Skin Relief that much. We used it when my daughter skinned her chin and we didn't want it to scar. So it did great at moisturizing that and keeping her chin from scarring. And then I used it after I got bit by copperhead when my leg was swelling up so much. Just take a little bit more and put it on this hand. And I have a cat scratch on this hand, but I'm not afraid to put this on it. It doesn't have anything that's going to make it burn, and it's probably actually going to help it heal faster. So, as I was saying, I fell in love with it when my leg was swollen up so big. It really was soothing and comforting. So that was a really nice hand spa. My hands feel wonderful right now, and I think they look really nice too. So again, I used the foaming hand soap with a salt scrub, and then I used our new nail repair serum. And then I used the Skin Relief with honey You could use any of our shea butters. They would all be great for your skin, but this is especially nourishing for your skin. So there you go. Give these products a try. I think you'll really like them.